Okay, so today we are looking at another pair of headphones. These are the Truefree Earfit DS1s. Now, Canadian wise, these are coming in around the $45 mark. So if you're looking for a pair of fairly budget friendly, kind of that sports style where it wraps around your ears, earbuds, headphones, whatever you want to call these, may not be a bad option. But what we're going to do, of course, is we'll see what comes in the box. We'll give them a test ourselves to see what we think of them, figure out their comfort, and also do a little mic test to see how the microphone works. Anyways, this is the box right here. So as you can see, 12 to 17 millimeter dual magnetic racetrack round driver. All right, 40 hours of playtime. I'm guessing that, of course, is with the actual charging case. Dual mic for noise cancellation. It doesn't say anything in here that says noise cancellation. It doesn't say anything in regards to them having like any kind of active noise canceling, but they may have a little bit of like electronic noise canceling. Bluetooth version 6. So Bluetooth 6 in here. That's kind of nice. Playtime about 10 hours, of course, with the actual headphones themselves. And battery capacity 70 milliamp hours. So, and then the charging case will give you 600 milliamp hours. So there you go. There you have it. Again, I don't think these have, I'm pretty sure, or they would announce it, any kind of active noise canceling. So they do talk about some like sound isolation in there. A lot of times that's going to be for calls and stuff like that, but we'll find out. Anyways, this is the box right here, and well, just crack this open. Try to crack it open nicely. Yes. So we get a little accessory box. Of course, your accessory box is going to have in these. My guess would be it's going to be the actual charging cable. What do we got for a charging cable? Come on. Yeah, little USB-A to USB-C. And what is that? What is that? I don't even know what that is. That is strange. Feels like maybe, I don't know. I have no idea what these are. These are just a little neck band. So you can put your headphones on here so that, you could wear them around your neck is my guess. That's my guess as to what those are. Okay. That's neat. That's all right. Your little manual at the bottom. And of course, you do get your actual headphones. So it does look like they have to activate your warranty. You have an actual little QR code if you want to do that. And we're just going to slide that off there. I do like the case. I have to say, I do like the case. It's kind of got this cool, you guys may or may not be able to see it. It's got this kind of cool texture feel on it. I do like that. There's your USB-C on there. All right. And if you open it, any lights? Oh, so it actually has on the front your actual battery. That's handy. I like that. Okay, I'm down. And then you take these out. And then you get, you guys may be able to see them, right? Little things here. So these are going to go on, I guess. Would be, oh, I see. These are probably interchangeable. So you can take these off if you want and put these on. So these would be spares. So I'm just gonna put those back. And then you have a nice little tape thing here. So this, of course, is going to want to pull off. Yes. And it is in pairing mode already. So I'm just going to take these off here. Oh, I can hear it doing something. I think it's talking. Anyways, yeah, you could see this one flashing. So let's just put these on. This is the part I always find difficult. Maybe it's just me, So they kind of just sit on your ear like this, right? So they don't go in the actual ear canal. So they're almost more like the air conductive headphones that are out there now, right? So you kind of just stick those on. But comfy. I'll give them that. Yeah, comfy. So depending on how you want to wear them, they do have the two different tips. And again, they just kind of sit in there like that. Very nice. And then what we'll do is we'll just go in here to our settings. Yes, we should find some Bluetoothy stuff. Anything at the bottom here? I may have missed it. Oh, no, there they are. Truefree. Perfect. Connect. All right. already got some decent volume. And I always, when I look at headphones like this or earbuds like this, I'm always, I don't want to say concerned, but I'm always like, it's never going to have the same kind of full sound that like dedicated, like in-ear earbuds are going to have. But already I'm just like, their bass is actually way better than I thought it was going to be. And the nice thing about ones like this as well is that you and I have that real ability to hear what's going on around us, right? Because of the fact that it's not sealing that. But when it's not sealing, of course, it does degrade, bring down some of the actual audio quality. But the bass on these are not bad. They're not going to be crazy loud. But again, if you're using these for running or something like that, sports activities, you don't want them crazy loud. You want to be able to hear the environment around you. So, okay, no, that's all right. I don't mind that. I'm playing some audio here. Let's kind of see what's going on. I've been big with their new song here, so I'm gonna bring this up here. Let's just see what it sounds like. Crank it right up. One of these should kick in. Oh, I seem to have lost pairing. What's going on here? Why did we lose pairing? Truefree, come on. You can do it. Back. Okay, we're back to connected. Hopefully that's not a thing that happens all the time. Let's see. Yeah, the bass in them is actually surprisingly good. But yeah. Now, what suffers a little bit is a bit of the highs, a little more brought down on the highs. But again, for if you're out there running or anything like that, I'd say not too bad. Now, the issue I'm having right now is that, you see, it's connects and disconnects, connects and disconnects. So that's a bit of a concern. Yes, a bit of a concern. So I'm wondering, right? Disconnected. Whoops, disconnected. It reconnects fast, right? Connected. So I'm gonna just see, because Bluetooth 6, we should be fine. And it disconnected. Connected, disconnected. Now, do I have anything else that is? I have a smartwatch that's connecting. I wonder if that's the issue. I wonder if one of these is. I'm gonna forget this item. It may be too, because my other smartwatch I was testing does have the ability to send audio. So that may have been the issue. So kind of be aware of that, right? If you have other Bluetooth devices in and around, they're going to fight with each other. So maybe that's my own fault. Let's just see. And we'll see if it stays connected now till the end of the video, because right now it was connecting, disconnecting, connecting, disconnecting. But I think, again, I have some other stuff that I was testing behind me, so they may be on. Yeah, it's not disconnecting now. Yeah, those sound, they're not going to be the best earbuds I've ever heard, because again, they don't go in your ear. But for the fact that they don't go in your ear and you can still hear everything around you, pretty good actually. Yeah, not bad at all. Let's do a mic test here. So we're just going to bring up Blackmagic. We'll see if they have a microphone, which they definitely should. So we'll come in here. You guys will be able to see this. And audio. So we don't want iPhone. We want these ones, Truefree. Good. Back to our camera. Let's just do this, and we'll do a quick recording with these. Yes? All right. All right, so this is now audio from these Truefree headphones. Now, I'm really curious because, again, just like all of them, right, the microphone is actually nowhere near your mouth. So we can tell, you can hear exactly what these headphones are sounding like. This is unedited, unaltered, directly from the actual headphones. So should give you a good idea of what they sound like. All right. Well, you know what? Sound quality wise, I'm actually very impressed. Not bad at all. I'll be honest. These style of headphones, I'm usually like, they'll be fine. They'll be fine. But yeah, those sound really good. They sound pretty good. Again, if you're looking for that full range, I think, of audio, like the bass is really nice. The highs are really good. Bass was surprisingly good. The highs a little muffled. I do like the screen on there. Shows you actually just before it closes. It shows you what they're at, but I'm at 100% right now. Yeah, good. Anyways, for the fact that you can get these for like 45 bucks Canadian, I think that's a great deal. If you're a runner or someone that wants to be able to hear the outside world, definitely a good option. Anyways, that's it for me. I'll put links down below where you can pick them up. And that's all. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next video. Later.